Good morning. Good morning to you. So I know my voice is like really scratchy because I just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock. Well, I didn't just woke up, but I just got up. It's 8 o'clock. And I know I've been gone, y'all. I've been gone. Been gone for like 2 weeks. And I feel so bad. I feel so bad. I need to make like a post saying I feel so bad. But y'all, these last 2 weeks, my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute just sitting right there to tell y'all what's been going on with my life. But I can't divulge too much right now because you will see the fruits of my labor in about 3 more weeks. In 3 more weeks, it'll be over. But it's a process, Lord, that I'm going through right now. In the midst of it,
welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it.
my house is being packed up. My house ain't never looked like this, child. Never. But tomorrow, so today is Monday, the holiday, and tomorrow, they are coming to pack up our household goods. Tomorrow will be the 9th of October, and I told y'all, I promised y'all that I would take y'all with me during this process. So I said I'm gonna keep my promise to my subscribers because they've been loyal with me. And so I want to show y'all what we've been doing because today we are going to be working, Lord. We're going to be trying to get a lot done. We started pre-packing. As you can see, we got luggages here. Let me show you my makeup. All my makeup is out of the container and it's packed up in like containers here. It's a lot going on. We took pictures down off the walls and curtains down. We're trying to do like some pre-packing, but right now I'm about to condition my hair, put the conditioner in my hair so that during the day when we work, I'm deep conditioning my hair because I want to wash it because we move out on this week. We're moving to a hotel, so let me condition my hair and I will get right back with y'all.
Taking a picture.
Was you?
Taking a picture. And now I'm playing Play-Doh.
I need some coffee. So I'm about to make me some coffee. The wine is something that's near and dear to our heart. We have an extensive wine collection. Let me show you the wine refrigerator, which is like full right now because, of course, I can't really drink. We got wine bottles on the floor. We got a lot of wine, y'all. We got a lot of wine. Go back and check like my first vlogs from like 2 years ago now. I think it was last year we went. No, it was last year. We went to Napa Valley and stocked up on wine. So our refrigerator is like full of wine. So that's something, like some things we are getting driven. We are going to drive up ourselves because we do not trust them with our wine. We got like, some of those bottles are like $150 bottles of wine. We got like wine here on the counter. We are some wine drinkers. I have not had wine in a long time. I had a sip of red wine for my birthday, but I miss my wine. But it's things like that that we have to pack up. We're trying to pack up by hand because a lot of the stuff we're going to drive there. Like my makeup, I'm not playing with my makeup. I got too much makeup. And so we're going to drive that stuff up to Virginia ourselves and store it ourselves so that, because our stuff is not going to get there until like a month after we get there. But today is like our today is our last Monday in the house. They come pack up our stuff tomorrow. They start tomorrow. And so I'm been having a craving for some dressing, some greens, some macaroni, and some ham. Like it's Thanksgiving. So that's what I'm gonna cook today. Try to cook this morning. And so while Gabriel went to go drop my car off, I'm gonna start the dressing. Thank you so much, Giselle, for making me my breakfast, my Play-Doh breakfast. Thank you. Are you going to save some for Daddy?
Yes.
Okay. Just got done cutting all the stuff up for the dressing. I got my greens here in the pot. They're frozen greens that I had made a while ago. And then this is like the celery and sausage and stuff. I put sausage in my dressing, so I just swept and the dust is making me want to sneeze. So I prepped all my stuff for my dressing. I have my cornmeal here, but I don't have any eggs, so I told him to stop and get eggs on the way home. Ooh, and you made me tea. She made me coffee, Play-Doh coffee. Ooh, girl, it's so good, girl. Thank you. But I'm trying to like multitask and like conditioner in my hair, cook, clean, pack. There's just a lot going on, but I'm gonna take y'all with me during the day. It's only 9:45, so we got a long day to go. Be careful so you don't fall. You can ride it out in the driveway. So all this stuff was at my job. And right now we are currently going through garage items to see what needs to be packed and what needs to go to the trash. This is my I Love Me book. If you're in the military. Wait till he move. He's about to move it. If you're in the military, then you know what this is. So I brought this from work. I had it at work. And all these photos here, I have to add stuff into it. So I actually bought a new binder because I'm going into my second I Love Me book. This is 10 years worth of Army in this book.
This for your YouTube? Sure enough. So let's just put program in one section and just have them compile it all.
This is the baby tote. So some of that stuff can go in there.
Okay. So let's start. Where you want to start? You tell me where you want to start. I'm about to move the stuff out the way, and you can tell me where you want to start.
I turned out in the black door.
Did you close it all the way?
Yes.
Did you unlock the door? You unlocked the door and came out? You're so smart. Come
Yes.
here. I love you, buddy.
I love you too.
I'll move the truck so you right back.
Yes. Now can you give me a sticker?
Oh, do you know where the stickers are?
Yes.
Okay, go get one.
Up in Mommy's room.
Okay.
But can you go with me?
I'll go. Come on. Wasn't you going to try to get a memo to turn a bunch of stuff in here? Okay.
The trash?
Yes.
I can do this. If nothing can happen to me, I can do it.
Look what's coming out, guys. The maternity uniform. It wouldn't happen to be a hat in there, would it? That would have been clutch. I ain't even, because I probably wouldn't even have thought about saving a hat. I think they gave me 4.
You You saving all 4?
I don't need all 4 out. It's just too many. Probably only.
These are pants. These are 2 pants.
Maybe it was 3 that I got.
1 top.
Ow.
2 top.
Now
One
I
should-
gotta get my feet dirty.
Okay, one moment. One should have if it have rank on it. Nothing have rank on it or name.
Yeah, let's do.
Daddy, can you? It's taking a long time now. Can you get my ball?
In a minute, Giselle, please.
We're gonna get your ball later.
Because we're busy. We're doing something.
I've
Let her
been
finish this
waiting.
thing.
Again and
You have been waiting very patiently.
Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go now.